Good morning, Kampot. I'm always stuck on the wrong thing. It's like, why is there nothing coming out of my...
That doesn't come out right.
Okay, breakfast first.
Good morning. We're at our local little breakfast place here in Kampot. We're going to go and see Mount Bokor. And we're also going to walk around that area over there. There's a waterfall.
Big guy.
Bokville.
Now you might be thinking, why does Buddha have boobs? That's not Buddha. So we're halfway up this mountain in the national park. It's actually getting quite cool up here, hey?
Yeah, it's lovely, the coolness. It seems like we picked a nice sunny day though, at least.
Beautiful, clear.
What's wonderful about this national park is that it's free to enter. So there's just loads of people, locals, visitors, foreigners, everybody's hanging out here.
Coming, escaping a bit of the heat, I guess, and looking for a picnic spot and hanging out. Okay, the mystery has been solved. This is the statue of Yamao. Yamao is sort of the guardian of the coast. And legend goes that Yamao died at sea when she was on her way to visit her husband. Now travelers present her with offerings to get safe passage.
Traditionally bananas and flowers.
Bananas and flowers.
And money.
And money.
There are tons and tons of bananas here.
Yummy.
It's crazy.
We get some fried bananas. Black Palace. It was King Sihanouk's residence. Was built by in the like 1930s, I think. 1936, what is it now? Almost 90 years old. Catholic church in the park. I guess it's not. I guess it's not used anymore.
No.
Oh, Jesus, it looks hot. Say. Okay, this is one of our last stops here on the mountain, I think.
We're at Bokville waterfall in the Bokor National Park. It's not a very high or big waterfall, but it's a nice place here. Locals come here to picnic, and apparently it's quite a pretty little waterfall. We're gonna go check it out.
I have low expectations. So we go see.
Let's go have a take a look. It's a small lack of water situation.
Okay. Fail. No water. I'm actually standing in the water right now. Am I? Am I? Oh yes I am. Okay, I'm not. We're going for, there's a monk in the waterfall.
There is indeed.
So much for waterfall. It's a fall.
It's a
without
fall.
a water. Beautiful.
Welcome to Bokor Lake. I made us ride a little bit of a detour.
Well, we saw a palace. I think it was a
We
palace.
did see a palace.
And now we're seeing a lake. Not sure what happens at this lake, to be honest. It's quite a
Very
big lake,
strange
actually.
and out of place. This whole national park is a little bit odd, to be honest.
Everything's a bit odd. There's lots of construction everywhere, and there's mazes and mazes of roadworks, and not roadworks like road networks. And there's like random construction, and I don't know what's
And then
going
there's
on.
like camping areas. This looks like it's a little bit of a camping area. There's tiny little tents here. There's boats that you can take onto the lake and go for a row.
I think you can camp here.
Families are picnicking. It's
Very weird.
recreational and at the same time strange.
Maybe that's the way we do it, yeah. Bokor National Park. Oh, there's a barbecue there, some tiny chairs.
Or you can have a swan boat.
Yeah. Check how big this lake is. Okay, last sunset in Kampot.
Oh yes, it is. I didn't realize that.
Yep, we've been here 4 days. Today was quite a long day. We did the whole national park thing. It was cool. What do you think of the
It was
national
really
park?
cool. Not at all what I expected. It's quite a big area. And it's not like you get to the top of a mountain and then there's this beautiful viewpoint or anything. Everything's quite spread out there and there isn't one main site. There's just actually lots to see there.
It's quite strange in a way because there's a lot of development. It's a bit weird and disjointed. There's lots of strange roads, but it's a nice outing. It's right here at Kampot. So
And there's the nature component, which is great. It's beautiful roads, nice winding roads to ride. There's the history component of old derelict buildings and things to see. And then there's what's happening now. Some things which are happening and some which is still coming.
no, we don't really know. But anyway, so this is it's somehow a festival going on here.
This is the Sea Festival.
Sea Festival, yeah. Festival of the Sea. So it's very busy. We're surrounded by people. But we're just enjoying the
During
sunset.
the last bit of the sunset, yeah.
And we'll go for a bite to eat, but this will be it from us for today. So
Hope you enjoyed us exploring Bokor National Park.
yeah, we're moving on to Kep from here. We're going to spend, I think, almost a week there. So we'll definitely see you there.
So remember to subscribe, ring the bell, give us a like, and we'll see you in Cape.
Bye.